Hold on tight. We're diving headfirst into the biggest stories of the moment. Microsoft's cloud revenue just dropped over 2%, sending shockwaves through the market. Investors are questioning their AI strategy as Google Cloud absolutely blew past expectations with a massive 63% jump. Is Microsoft losing its edge in the AI race? We'll break down the numbers and what it means for the future of cloud computing.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALEN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, a game changer for data interoperability. Databricks is making waves with a groundbreaking announcement: seamless access to data between Unity Catalog and Google BigQuery. Forget duplication, think unified governance. This is a huge step forward for open standards and connecting your data across platforms. But how will this impact your data strategy? Let's find out. Now, let's talk agentic AI. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian is declaring the era of the pilot is over, and the era of the agent is here. They're completely rethinking enterprise IT architecture, focusing on unlocking all that dark data and automating business operations. Is this the future of AI in the enterprise? We'll explore Google's ambitious vision and what it means for your business. Finally, Amazon's cloud unit is flexing its muscle, reporting a 28% sales growth that topped estimates. Oz is doubling down on AI investments, partnering with both OpenAI and Anthropic, and bringing out cutting-edge services. But can they keep pace with the competition? Don't miss a beat, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay tuned for all the latest tech news. Microsoft shares fell over 2% in extended trading Wednesday after the tech giant's latest quarterly cloud revenue growth failed to meet investor expectations. While Azure cloud revenue increased by 40%, matching estimates, it paled in comparison to Google Cloud's 63% surge, which propelled Alphabet shares up more than 4%. Analysts point to concerns surrounding Microsoft's AI spending and its position in the rapidly evolving AI race as key factors. Despite adding 5 million users to its Copilot 365 assistant, bringing the total to 20 million, and reporting a $37 billion AI run rate, the market sought more reassurance. Capital expenditures rose 49% to $31.9 billion, though down from the previous quarter, while spending on finance leases also decreased. Microsoft maintains this doesn't signal slowing AI demand, attributing it to lease commencement timing. The company is bolstering its AI capabilities by integrating Anthropic's technology and recently revised its OpenAI deal to secure a 20% revenue share through 2030, though it now faces increased competition from Amazon and others in reselling OpenAI products. These investments come as Microsoft, along with Amazon and Meta, implements cost-cutting measures, including its first employee buyout program in over 50 years. Databricks today announced deepened interoperability with Google Cloud, enabling seamless access to data across Unity Catalog and BigQuery without data duplication. This advancement, built on open standards like Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg, extends Catalog Federation, an industry standard pioneered by Databricks, to include Google's platforms. Customers can now read tables managed by Unity Catalog directly within Google BigQuery, currently in preview, and vice versa, with a private preview of Google Cloud's Lakehouse Federation allowing channel YouTube users to govern and read Iceberg tables managed by Cloud Lakehouse. This bidirectional interoperability, already available with Oz, Azure, and Snowflake, unifies data governance through Unity Catalog's policies, access controls, and lineage tracking, even for federated data. The integration also extends to Databricks' Genie AI platform, allowing natural language queries across the entire, secured data estate. Future updates will include catalog metadata exchange via Iceberg REST Catalog, further streamlining governance. This collaboration aims to provide customers with both innovation and interoperability, eliminating the need to choose between the two. Interested parties can sign up for the Lakehouse Federation preview and stay updated via the Databricks blog. Google Cloud is declaring a new era, the age of the agent. CEO Thomas Kurian, at the company's next conference, stated the time for AI pilots is over, and fully autonomous agentic AI is now the focus. This shift moves AI beyond simple assistance, like code generation, to active participation in business operations, functioning as intellectual peers, capable of independent reasoning and task execution. Google reports 75% of its new code is AI-generated, and 75% of its cloud customers are already utilizing AI. The company is outlining an agentic enterprise blueprint, emphasizing a unified platform for data, models, infrastructure, and applications, rather than adding AI to existing systems. A key challenge is unlocking the value of the 90% of enterprise data currently unstructured and underutilized. Google Cloud aims to activate data across multi-cloud and hybrid environments, not just within its own ecosystem, while acknowledging the need for robust agent management, governance, security, and cost control, addressed in part by the new Gemini Enterprise platform. The message is a call to action for businesses to reevaluate their entire IT stack to fully capitalize on the potential of agentic AI. Amazon's cloud division, Amazon Web Services, delivered a strong first quarter, exceeding analyst expectations with a 28% surge in revenue to $37.59 billion. This marks a significant increase from $29.27 billion a year prior, and underscores AWS's continued dominance in the cloud infrastructure market. The segment now accounts for nearly 21% of Amazon's total revenue, and operating income jumped approximately 23% to $14.16 billion. The robust performance comes as Amazon ramps up its investments in artificial intelligence, notably committing billions to both OpenAI and Anthropic. Amazon is expanding an existing $38 billion Oz commitment with OpenAI by an additional $100 billion over 8 years, and has agreed to invest up to $25 billion in Anthropic, building on previous investments of $8 billion. This strategic shift is occurring amidst growing competition from Microsoft Azure, which reported a 40% revenue increase, and Google Cloud, experiencing a 63% jump. Notably, OpenAI announced this week that Oz will become a cloud provider for certain computing jobs, ending Microsoft's exclusive status, and Oz will make OpenAI models available through its Bedrock service. Furthermore, AWS is integrating low-latency silicon from AI chipmaker Cerebras, signaling a continued push into cutting-edge AI infrastructure.